Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming power and compatibility so the tool won't drop mid-scan. Plug into the OBD-ROMAN 2 port and secure the connector. This ensures steady data flow. Once connected, power the vehicle to accessory or run mode so modules are awake. Make sure the scan tool's software or firmware is current because updates fix protocol gaps and add vehicle definitions. If prompted, select the vehicle by VIN or year/make/model. Doing that narrows the module search and saves time. Now you run a full system scan to collect DTCs and status from each module. This gives a priority list of issues. Once done, view live data streams and use graphing to spot anomalies like slow response or fluctuating voltages, because numbers alone can mislead. Make sure to save or export logs and freeze-frame data for reference or to share with a technician. If a code repeats, look at related sensors and perform guided tests. The tool suggests to confirm root cause. After repairs or adjustments, clear codes and run the relevant functional tests, like actuating a solenoid or rerunning a readiness monitor to verify the fix. This proves the repair worked. Once done, rescan all modules to confirm no new or recurring codes. If the tool loses communication, take a step back. Inspect connector pins, check vehicle fuses and grounding, verify correct protocol or vehicle selection, and ensure your tool firmware is up to date. These steps resolve most connection issues.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.